Hello, everyone.
Welcome to Daily Life Smart English.
In today's video, we'll practice an advanced conversation about scheduling a meeting at work.
Stay with us till the end, and you'll feel much more confident using these sentences at work.
At work, meetings don't just happen. They need to be scheduled, confirmed, and sometimes adjusted. Clear language helps you save time and avoid unnecessary back and forth. In this lesson, you'll hear how professionals schedule a meeting, clearly and politely at work. Stay until the end to practice useful sentences you can use immediately. Let's begin. My name is Alice. I work as an operations manager. Harry is a colleague from another team. In this conversation, Harry and we are scheduling a meeting to align on a project update, the meeting structure, and next steps. Hi, Harry, do you have a moment?
Sure, Alice. What's up?
I was hoping to schedule a meeting with you to go over the latest project updates and align on next steps.
That sounds good. What did you have in mind?
Ideally, I'd like to meet sometime this week if your schedule allows.
This week should be fine. Which day were you thinking?
Would Thursday morning work for you?
Thursday morning might be a bit tight. I have back-to-back meetings until noon.
I see. Thanks for letting me know. How about Thursday afternoon instead?
Thursday afternoon could work. What time were you thinking?
Would 2 p.m. be okay?
Yes, 2 p.m. should be fine.
Great. I'll block some time on the calendar. If scheduling meetings in English is something you do at work, take a second to like this video. It helps the lesson reach more people. Let's continue. Before I send the invite, I just want to make sure the timing works well for you.
Yes, 2 p.m. works on my side.
Perfect. Do you think 30 minutes will be enough, or should we allow a bit more time?
I think 30 minutes should be fine, as long as we stay focused.
Agreed. I'll structure the meeting so we stay on track. The main purpose of the meeting is to review the current timeline and confirm priorities for the next phase of the project.
That makes sense.
I'd also like to spend some time discussing potential risks and any blockers that might affect delivery.
Yes, that would be helpful.
From your side, is there anything specific you'd like to cover?
It would be good to talk about resource availability for the next few weeks.
Good point. I'll include that as a discussion item. To give you more context, I'm planning to split the meeting into 3 parts.
Okay.
First, a short project update from my side. Second, a discussion on risks and resources. And finally, agreeing on next steps and owners.
That sounds well structured.
Great. That should help us stay within time. Would you prefer this to be more of a quick alignment meeting or a deeper discussion?
A quick alignment should be enough for now.
All right. In that case, I'll keep the discussion high level and focus on decisions. If this conversation feels like your real work day, don't forget to like the video so others can find it too. Let's keep going. Do you think we should invite anyone else or keep it just the 2 of us?
It might be helpful to include someone from finance, especially for budget visibility.
That makes sense. I'll invite Lisa from the finance team.
Perfect.
Would anyone else need to join, or is that enough?
I think that should be enough for now.
Okay. I'll send a calendar invite with a short agenda attached, so everyone knows what to prepare.
I appreciate that. It always helps to come prepared.
If possible, could you take a quick look at the agenda once you receive it and let me know if anything's missing?
Sure. I'll review it and get back to you.
Also, do you have any materials you'd like to share before the meeting?
I can prepare a short summary of the resource plan and send it ahead of time.
That would be great. It will help make the discussion smoother. Just to confirm, we're looking at Thursday at 2 p.m. for 30 minutes.
Yes, that works for me.
Great. In case something unexpected comes up, would Friday morning work as a backup option?
Yes, Friday morning would be fine.
Thanks. It's always good to have a backup plan. One more thing. Would you prefer this meeting to be in person or online?
Online would be easier for me.
No problem. I'll set it up as an online meeting. After the meeting, I plan to send a short summary with action items and owners.
That would be very helpful.
It helps make sure everyone is aligned and knows what to do next.
I completely agree.
If anything changes on your end, please let me know as soon as possible so we can adjust.
Of course, I'll keep you updated.
All right, I'll send the invite shortly.
Sounds good. I'll keep an eye out for it. Thanks for setting this up.
Now it's time for shadowing practice. Repeat each sentence after me and try to match my pace and tone. Focus on sounding clear and polite, just like in a real workplace conversation. Let's begin. I was hoping to schedule a meeting. Would sometime this week work for you? How does Thursday afternoon sound? Does 2 p.m. work for you? Would 30 minutes be enough? I'll send a calendar invite with the agenda. Would Friday morning work as a backup? Please let me know if anything changes. Looking forward to our discussion. Well done! Clear scheduling shows respect for other people's time and helps work run more smoothly. Keep practicing these phrases and you'll feel more confident handling meetings at work. See you in the next lesson.